I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all our fantastic friends listening at home, in the car, or maybe at the gym. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
It really is, Jack. How are you today? You look very awake.
Thank you, Emma. I feel awake now, but this morning was a different story.
Oh, tell me more, Jack. What happened?
Well, my alarm clock went off at 6 o'clock. Beep, beep, beep. And I looked out the window. It was dark and cold. My bed, Emma, my bed was so warm and soft.
I know that feeling, Jack. It is the best feeling in the world.
Exactly, Emma. My brain said, Jack, stay in bed. Sleep for one more hour. It's okay. I really didn't want to get up.
So, Jack, what did you do? Did you stay in bed?
I almost did, Emma, but then I thought about our topic for today, and I used a little trick. I stood up, put on my shoes, and now I am here with my tea.
Good job, Jack. That is amazing. And that is actually our topic today.
It is, Emma.
Yes, Jack. Today we are talking about self-discipline, or in simple words, how to do things when you really don't feel like doing them.
Wow, Emma, that is a very important topic. I think everyone has days when they feel a little lazy.
Oh, definitely, Jack. Even I do sometimes.
No, Emma, not you. You are always so busy and happy.
Trust me, Jack. I have my lazy days too. But before we dive into our secrets for staying strong, we have a small favor to ask our lovely listeners.
Yes, Emma, if you enjoy our conversations and you want to help us, please click that like button right now. It's like giving us a digital high five.
And don't forget, Jack, a digital high five. And please subscribe to Talk Data.
Yes, Emma, we want you to be part of our family and never miss a chat.
And if you have a friend who wants to learn English, Jack, and maybe needs a little help with being productive, share this episode with them. It helps us grow.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Emma, self-discipline. It sounds like a big, scary word, doesn't it?
It does, Jack. It sounds like a teacher at school telling me to sit straight and be quiet.
Right, Emma. But it's not scary. It's actually a superpower. It's about being the boss of your own brain.
I like that, Jack. I am the boss. But sometimes my brain is a very bad employee. It wants to watch TV and eat chocolate all day.
My brain too, Emma, especially when I have to do the dishes or clean the house. I look at the kitchen and think, maybe tomorrow. So how do we stop saying maybe tomorrow? What is the first step?
Well, Jack, like we always say, start very, very small.
Small like 1 minute small, Emma?
Yes, Jack. There is a great rule called the 5-minute rule.
5 minutes? That's nothing, Emma. I can brush my teeth in 5 minutes.
Exactly, Jack. When you have a job to do and feel very lazy, tell yourself, I will only do this for 5 minutes. Just 5. After 5 minutes, you can stop.
Huh. Emma, so if I have a big book to read for my English class, I just say, I will read for 5 minutes?
Yes, Jack. Usually the hardest part is just starting. Once you start, your brain says, oh, this isn't so bad. I can do 5 more minutes. And then before you know it, the job is finished.
That is so smart, Emma. I used that this morning with my exercise. I told myself, Jack, just put on your gym clothes. That's it. And once I had my shoes on, I thought, well, I am dressed already. I might as well move a little.
See, Jack? You used self-discipline without even knowing the word.
I am a natural, Emma. But I had a funny situation yesterday.
Oh, Jack, what happened?
Well, I wanted to practice my English writing. I sat down at my desk. I had my pen. I had my notebook. I was ready.
That sounds perfect, Jack.
It was, Emma, for 2 minutes. Then I saw a small spider on the wall.
A spider? Oh, no, Jack.
Yes, Emma. And I watched the spider for 10 minutes. I wondered, where is he going? Does he have a family? Is he hungry? Then I checked my phone to see if spiders like coffee. And 1 hour later, I realized I wrote 0 words in my notebook.
Oh, Jack, that is the distraction trap. We all fall into it. The spider was much more interesting than the writing.
It was, Emma. He was a very fast spider. But I felt bad after. I felt like I failed.
And that is a big mistake, Jack. When we have a bad day or get distracted, we shouldn't be mean to ourselves.
Really, Emma? I shouldn't say, Jack, you are lazy?
No, Jack, because when you are mean to yourself, you feel sad. And when you feel sad, you want to eat more chocolate and watch more TV to feel better. It becomes a circle.
Ah, I see, Emma. So I should say, it's okay, Jack. You like the spider. Now, let's try again for 5 minutes.
Exactly, Jack. Be a kind boss to yourself.
I like being a kind boss, Emma. It feels much better.
You know, Jack, I had a small problem this week, too. I'm trying to learn how to play the guitar.
The guitar. Wow, Emma, that is so cool. Are you a rock star now?
Not yet, Jack. Far from it. My fingers really hurt when I press the strings. On Tuesday, I looked at my guitar and thought, I don't want to play. It hurts, and I'm tired. And the movie on Netflix is very good.
So, Emma, did you watch the movie?
I did, Jack. I watched the whole movie. I didn't touch the guitar once.
Oh, so you lost your discipline, Emma.
Yes, for one night, Jack. But the next day, I didn't give up. I didn't say, I am bad at guitar. I just said, yesterday was for movies, today is for music, and I played for 10 minutes.
That's the spirit, Emma. It's not about being perfect every day. It's about coming back.
Yes, Jack. If you are still listening to us right now, you are already practicing self-discipline. You are choosing to learn English instead of doing something else.
That's true, Emma. You guys are amazing.
Hey, Jack, let's give them a little challenge. If you are still listening, comment, I can do it in the comments below.
Oh, I like that, Emma. I can do it. It's a strong sentence.
It is, Jack. It reminds your brain who is the boss.
You know, Emma, I think another big secret is the why.
The why? What do you mean, Jack?
Well, why do I want to wake up early? Why do I want to learn English? If I don't have a reason, it is very hard to stay disciplined.
That is so true, Jack. For me, with the guitar, my why is that I want to sing songs with my friends at my birthday party.
Oh, that is a beautiful reason, Emma. When you feel lazy, you can imagine your friends smiling and singing with you.
Exactly, Jack. It makes the work feel like a path to a dream. For our listeners, maybe their why is a better job, traveling to a new country, or making new friends.
Yes, Emma. When you don't want to study, think about that dream. Imagine yourself speaking English perfectly at an airport or in a meeting. It gives you a little push of energy.
I need that push sometimes, Jack, especially when grammar gets difficult. Grammar is like the spider. I want to look away.
Don't look away, Emma. Just remember the 5-minute rule. 5 minutes of grammar is easy.
You're right, Jack. 5 minutes. I can do that.
Another thing that helps me is my environment, Emma.
Your environment, like the trees and the birds?
No, silly Emma. I mean the things around me. If I want to eat healthy, but my table is full of cookies, what do you think will happen?
Jack. I think the cookies will disappear very fast.
Exactly, Emma. My discipline is not strong enough to fight a cookie, so I hide the cookies in a high cupboard and put an apple on the table.
Oh, Emma. So you make the good thing easy and the bad thing hard.
Yes, Jack, it's a trick. If you want to study English, put your notebook on your pillow in the morning. When you go to bed, you will see it and think, okay, just 5 minutes.
That is brilliant, Emma. I'm going to put my gym shoes right in front of my door, so I have to step over them to go to the kitchen.
Perfect, Emma. You can't ignore them if you trip over them.
Exactly, Jack. Oh, hello, shoes. I guess we're going for a walk.
That's the way to do it, Jack. You know, sometimes self-discipline is also about saying no to other people.
Emma, that is hard. I like saying yes. I like my friends.
I know, Jack, but if your friend calls and says, Jack, let's play video games for 5 hours, and you know you have to finish your report. What do?
Ha, Jack. I usually say, okay, let's play. And then I stay up until 2 in the morning finishing my report. Then I'm tired and grumpy the next day.
See, Jack, that is not good for you. Self-discipline is saying, I would love to play, but first I need 1 hour for my work. Can we play at 8 o'clock instead?
That sounds very professional, Emma. I should try that. It's not saying no forever, it's just saying not now.
Exactly, Jack. You are protecting your time. Your time is valuable.
You know, Emma, I feel much more powerful now, like I have a shield against laziness. You do, Jack. And the more you use it, the stronger it gets. It's like a muscle. The first time you go to the gym, it's very hard. The 10th time, it's a little easier. And after a year, you are a superhero.
Maybe at least a superhero of my own life, Emma.
I like that, Jack. The conversation superhero. My power is talking about things.
And you are very good at it, Emma. But remember, even superheroes need to rest.
Oh, good, Jack. I was worried you were going to tell me to work 24 hours a day.
No way, Emma. Rest is part of discipline. If you don't rest, your brain gets tired, and a tired brain is a lazy brain.
So sleeping is actually me being disciplined, Jack?
If you sleep at the right time, yes. Going to bed early so you have energy for tomorrow is a very disciplined thing to do. Wow, Emma, I am going to be very disciplined tonight at 10 p.m. Then I will sleep so hard.
Good plan, Jack.
We talked about so many things today, Emma. My head is full of ideas.
It was a great talk, Jack. Let's see if we can remember the main points for our friends.
Okay, I'll start. Point number 1, start small. Use the 5-minute rule. Just start.
Yes, Jack. And point number 2, be kind to yourself. If you get distracted by a spider or a movie, don't worry. Just try again later.
Poor spider, Emma. Point number 3, remember your why. Why are you doing this? What is your dream?
Perfect, Jack. And point number 4, change your environment. Make the good things easy and the bad things difficult. Hide those cookies.
And point number 5, it's okay to say not now to friends so you can finish your goals. And don't forget to rest.
You have a great memory, Jack. See, you are already more disciplined.
I feel it, Emma. I really do. I hope our listeners feel it too.
I'm sure they do, Jack. It's all about those small steps. 1 word, 1 minute, 1 day at a time.
Well, Emma, I think that is all the time we have for today. I need to go and wash my car. I don't want to, but I will do it for 5 minutes.
That's the spirit, Jack. Let us know how it goes.
I will, Emma. And to everyone listening, thank you for being here with us. We love spending this time with you.
Yes, Jack. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave your comment. I can do it. We love to read them.
And please, Emma, if you haven't yet, give us a like.
Share this episode with someone who needs a little boost today. Let's spread the positive energy.
Until next time, Emma, stay strong, stay happy, and keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, Jack.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.